How many lives do our electronics have? Most get only one before being discarded, but we believe that if there was a way to showcase their potential, maybe people would think about giving them a second chance.
Alright, here's the tour. Set number 1, circuit board. Set number 2 over there, completely made out of keyboards. And all the way over on this side, we got set number 3, laptops. These sets were made from e-waste, electronic waste given a second chance at one of the largest facilities of its kind in the United States. There I learned that globally less than 15% of e-waste is recycled, while the rest ends up in landfills all over the world. Given to people like Dell, these old gadgets have the potential to be recycled into brand new computer parts. And it's more than just the expensive stuff. It's all the accessories that come with it, like mice, cables, and adapters. All we needed was to convince more people to recycle, so we decided to build something people would hopefully want to talk about. Entire worlds showcasing the past, powering the future. We built our sets from scratch using simple pieces of wood lifted into position with the help of volunteers that joined us from all over the country. Together, we spent days experimenting with different patterns to see what would work and what didn't. Piece by piece, our structure slowly started coming to life, just like a new laptop born from recycled parts. From there, all that remained was to add the human component, representing the everyday person, the most important part of the recycling machine. All the pieces we use in this project were collected by Dell's Global Recycling Program, which collects devices of any brand, make, or model to be reborn into new computer parts. Although it may look like junk, parts like these old circuit boards can contain up to 800 times more gold than when it's found in the ground. Yet, we're throwing away these valuable pieces into landfills instead of giving them a second chance. We're just a small group of creatives that came together hoping to make a difference. But we believe that when companies collaborate with the everyday person to create social impact, that's when we can start to build a brighter future.
Oh, and one more thing, guys, we're giving these prints away, so make sure you join the competition in the link below. We're hoping that you'll join us in collecting your electronic waste, taking a photo of it, and recycling it responsibly. In case you're wondering what happened with these sets at the end of our project, we tore them all right back down and gave them back to Dell's Global Recycling Program to be converted into brand new electronic parts. This project over here only came to life thanks to the help of all the volunteers that came in to make it possible, and now we hope that you will join us in spreading the word, encouraging others to rethink and recycle. I know it's cheesy, but together, I think that we can change the world.